Hello everyone, it's Jackson here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a cool background with Charlie mask video. So first, you want to go to edit video, just put this in a vertical, and that's how I'm going to like it. You don't want this at all, because this is like an imported clip and you can't mask it. So we're just going to drag this all the way down. You want to go to layers, image/video, pick the video that you like. I'm importing this video of Charlie. Zoom it in to about 200 so it fits perfectly into the screen. Next, you want to go to mask, and you want to click this icon right here. It has a person icon, and then it generates the masking of the video of Charlie, and masks out the person. As you can see here, this is a perfect mask. Like, I actually love this a lot. And it would show you a preview once you're done, right here. And you can see it's some blurred edges, some disappeared. You know, it's not always going to be normal, but it's actually pretty good. So if you want a background with this, go to Elements, search up background, and then just pick a background you like. I like this one, so let's do this one. Just crop it into where it's the edit full size.
Face to face with it.
There you go. That's how you make a mask video of a person. And if you want to blur it, I'll teach you guys how to duplicate this, bring it all the way down, use add, because then it gives a glow effect. Go to add, go to blur, and then increase the size of the blur however you like. And there you go, you have your blur. You can see it goes up, down, up. If you want more of a blur, you can just duplicate it more. That's how I usually do it. But yeah.
Face to face with it can be
Yeah, there you go, you got a blur right here.